Hi everybody, Devin here from Let's Set Out. We went to Disney Springs several weeks ago, and I was trying to find the Cosbi Ewoks keychains. We had went a couple of times before with no luck. They were sold out, and this time we went, and just so happened that they actually had them there. I found a keychain. We grabbed some lunch at the Polite Pig, and we grabbed a cookie at Gideon's. Let's head out. We're at Disney Springs. This is the second time I've been to Disney Springs to try to attempt to get one of these Ewok keychains that they have here at the co-op. So we're going to see if they even have any. If they do, then good. If not, then I'm going to put this video out anyways. I didn't put out the last video, but I'm going to put this video out anyways. Yeah. Alright, we're going to go in here and see what they've got. Alright, so they have them for once. So it looks like I finally get one. They're only $16.99. You can actually get the whole set. Watch me get the pink one.
Well, you put them on your bag.
Yeah, I'm going to get one, and if I get the pink one, I'll just get another one. Alright, we're going to buy this and then go out and open it up. Okay. Alright, so anything but pink is what we're hoping for. So we have all these and these. So we're going to see what's going to happen.
It's in a bag.
Alright, here we go. Oh boy.
Oh, it's nice.
It's Wicket.
It's Wicket. I will take it.
That's cute.
Very cutesy.
That's awesome.
Now where are you going to put them?
So yeah, mission accomplished.
There you go.
Alright, there he is. Alright, I got me a dream frozen cappuccino. So yeah, we're gonna head on over to Alright, we're gonna go in here and get a cookie here in a minute. Alright, so we got some Gideon's cookies. We got a almond cold brew.
Yep.
Alright, so while we're at Disney Springs, we decided just to grab a bite to eat at the Polite Pig. Yeah, we're gonna eat here in a few minutes. We got our little thing here, and they're gonna bring it to us. We got the shoulder, pulled pork, mac and cheese. Hannah got the chicken salad wrap with sweet tots, and we got some drinks to go with it. With everything, it was $56.03. Yeah, just as soon as it comes out, we'll show you what it looks like. Alright, so Mom and Dad got the barbecue chicken and macaroni and cheese and coleslaw. And we got the pulled pork, macaroni and cheese and coleslaw. And Hannah got a, what was that, Hannah?
I got the chicken salad wrap. Or it's
the smoked chicken salad wrap.
Yeah.
So they also give you several different kinds of sauces. I think this is just ketchup here.
Yes.
yeah.
But they give you several different kinds of sauces. What they said each one of them is, I couldn't possibly tell you because I don't remember.
So that's your spicy, and
Spicy, mustard, sweet,
and then
barbecue ranch, and then these are just regular barbecue sauces.
Yeah, they're like
One's probably hot and one's probably not.
This one's the hot one.
Oh, that one's hot.
Oh, some kind of chicken had some kind of rub on it.
All right. So I've tried the macaroni and cheese. It is delicious. I also tried the pulled pork. It's really good as well. So yeah. 10 out of 10 on these two so far, but the pork is really tender and pretty good. They also give you a jalapeno corn muffin. All right, so we're going to do our cookie taste test for the new cookie that they had. It was the, oh my goodness, where's the card? It's in that bag.
It was cookie butter butterscotch cookie.
Cookie butter butterscotch, and pardon the mess on the table. We're running out of counter space.
Okay. One of these cookies is not like the other. Alright.
We also got a cookie that we got before. Was it banana bread?
We got the banana bread chocolate chip.
We've tried it a couple of times on the videos, so we're not going to do a taste test on it again unless Hannah just wants to.
It doesn't matter.
But we also got a coffee cake cookie. They had a coffee cake cookie.
So this is the morning exclusive.
Yes.
Available every day.
So we
every
didn't.
morning until it sells out.
That's our first time trying that. So do we need a knife or something? Give us a second. Let me cut these cookies. Kind of cut the cookies up. Okay. So Hannah got the coffee cake cookie cut. So we're going to try this one. Just as soon as she gives me a piece of cookie.
You have to grab it.
That'll work. So this is what it looks like on the inside. All right.
Need some coffee. That's really good.
That's a really good cookie.
Yeah, that's good. That might be my new favorite.
They do a night one.
They do. We're just never there at night.
I wonder what flavor it is.
Dark coffee cake cookie.
Chocolate. That's really good. 10 out of 10.
Alright, on to the next one. Hurry up, stuff your faces.
So this one is our cookie of the month. And it goes with this little dude right here. Or girl. I'm not sure what it is.
It's a girl. She's got eyelashes.
So yeah, Amelia actually bought a shirt with her on it. So this is the cookie here.
Which, I mean, I guess guys have eyelashes too.
That's true.
Some guys have better eyelashes than most women.
Kind of reminds me of one of the little kids from Peter Pan.
Yeah.
One of the Lost Boys.
It's just when I look at it, it reminds me of a girl.
I think it is a little girl. Not sure though. Alright.
Yeah, we got 2 of those cookies, so you ain't got to be too gentle with it.
I am good.
So this is what the inside of this cookie looks like. So this is a cookie that I was kind of excited about tasting here. It smells delicious. Pretty good.
But does it beat the coffee cake cookie?
I don't know.
Like I said,
it's pretty good.
It is
We
a
were
good cookie.
10 minutes away from hot cookie hour.
Yeah, me wanted hot cookie hour so bad.
We were 10 minutes away.
We got the shirt and everything. I was trying to stall out.
We got in line too fast.
Yes, we did. Who knew the line was going to move that quick?
I didn't know.
Well, there was a crowd of people in front of us.
It's pretty good, guys.
Plus, we also got... Did you film that part?
Mm-mm.
So, we got their almond cookie cold brew. I don't know if that's a special for the month.
It was so good.
Delicious. 100% would get it again.
I don't even like almond flavored stuff, but that was really good. Next time, I do want to try the peanut butter. I know the peanut butter is what they always have, but I do want to try the peanut butter one. They had a specialty one too for the it was called the cookie butter butterscotch cold brew as well. If they have that one, we'll try it when we go back. It'll be a little while before we get back.
Okay. We'll try the banana bread. Smells as good as it always does.
I can't eat any more cookies.
I can't either.
You're going to have to try it on your own.
I'm going to tab out. I might tap out. Psych. I ain't tapping out.
Suck.
Alright.
I don't want any. I'm tapping out.
Suit yourself. Good as it always is.
Good as it always is. This is what, the third cookie review we've done of that cookie?
Oh, it's so good. It is.
Like,
It's one of their best cookies.
If they ever take it off the menu,
Hannah's
I'm gonna be
try.
sad.
All right. So that was our little walk around of Disney Springs, Polite Pig, and the cookie review, and the coffee that we got at Joffrey's. And did we talk about the coffee at Joffrey's? I did kind of talk about my coffee at Joffrey's.
I got just a plain shaken Jamaican. Good as it always is.
Good as it always is. Mia got the white mocha, and I just got what it was called, the Dream, but it was just a cappuccino, a frozen cappuccino with Cool Whip on top or whatever, and it was really good actually. So yeah, just a really good day at Disney Springs. So yeah. All right, so we are back at Disney Springs. Same place, different day. Hannah saw my Ewok and decided that we're gonna go back in here and see if they have any more. And if they do, she wants to get her one.
Yep.
So we're gonna see what she winds up with. Are you gonna be happy with anything you get?
I will.
Even if we have twinsies?
Gosh, darn.
Which one do you specifically want?
I specifically want the black and green one.
The darker colored one with the green with the green hood.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Love that one. It's so cute.
Or the pink one.
I'd be happy with any of them.
All right. Well, we're gonna go. We're working our way over there and see what she winds up with. Well, there's a lot less people in here today than there was the other day. I still got some. These little Stitch characters are kind of cool. Alright, so she got hers, and I think Amelia is going to wind up getting one too. I've created a thing. I don't know how much this is. We probably could have just got all of them.
So I really want
That's
this
okay.
one, but I'll have the one in the back.
Yeah, I either want the pink one or the one in the back. I don't know what their name is.
So I got this one.
Kinsa or Chief.
This one's kind of cool here with the Stormtrooper.
Or maybe it's Nisa or Chief Trooper.
Alright.
Alright, we're going to cash them out. Alright, so Hannah's going to open up hers.
Alright.
I'll take the box from you. See what she winds up with.
Yeah, I got the pink one.
Thank goodness you got it, not me. That's cute.
That's very cute.
That might have been the box I picked.
Might have been.
Oh boy, let's see what Mia got her one too, so we're gonna see what hers winds up with. Yeah, we need all three of them different.
Bottom. Which one?
Oh no, that's a different one.
I didn't see that one in there.
That might be a...
Oh yeah, it is in there. It's in the middle. I'll keep that one.
You want to try it?
Okay, I'll trade.
It's not the one I wanted. I will be very happy.
Lagre.
Is it on the box?
Lagre. Right here.
Oh yeah, that one.
Y'all gonna put them in a...
It's very cute though.
Y'all gonna put them in the sink?
Yeah, they're gonna put them in the sink. Let me hold Lagre. Low grade? Is it low grade or Lagre?
Lagre.
He's cute.
He is cute.
He has a
I
little
thought
skull
it
on
was-
his head.
I thought it was that one to start
I
with.
did too.
Very neat.
Very cool.
So they have these little things set up here where you can take a little photo of. I don't know if I showed that the other day.
Oh, Hannah, you're not doing
We're welcoming our new little buddies into their new home with a photo shoot.
What about their Adventureland? Move it around.
Oh, I didn't.
Alright, so that wraps the video up. Thank you for watching. If you're watching our videos and haven't subscribed, please subscribe. With that and watching other videos are the best two ways for me to ask you to help support our channel. If you have subscribed, thank you so much. It really means a lot to my family and I, and to the future of our channel. If you'd like to help us monetarily, there are a couple options in the description box below the video. One of those is Buy Me a Coffee. While you're there, please don't forget to click on the link for the Epic water filters. And don't forget to use the code Let's Head Out 15 to save 15% off your purchase. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Please don't forget to ring the notification bell to be notified whenever we post more video. And please don't forget to share. So yeah, I guess that wraps this video up. So until next time, let's head out together. See ya.